Good afternoon po guys. So my name is Brent and I'm from the Shopee Ads team of Shopee Philippines. And today po I will be joined by my teammate 2%, si Lance. So Lance, can you say hi?
Hello, sirs.
Yan. And then on the chat box po, mapapansin niyo po, we have two teammates that will accommodate your questions and queries, si Dwayne and si Josh po. So they will be answering your questions. So if you have any questions, you can type it in sa chat box po, or if you can go sa question section na rin. So now, again, good afternoon po. Thank you so much for taking your time to attend our training session this afternoon. So sana marami po tayong matutunan ngayong hapon na to. And sana wala pong mga masyadong technical difficulties na mangyari. Okay, so now let's start na po. So to start off, what is Shopee Ads? So Shopee Ads is a paid reach that increases awareness to potential buyers on Shopee, boosting sales conversion opportunities. So with Shopee Ads po, you'll have 4 advantages. So yung 4 main advantages po namin is that your shop will increase exposure. So that's the first. So yung hindi lang shop natin but yung products din po natin. So it will show your products or shop in prime positions in high traffic areas of Shopee, such as the homepage, the search results page, and the product details page. So the second advantage is that it drives conversion. So with Shopee Ads, your products will show up when users perform a related search in Shopee, which of course will lead to higher conversion potential. So yung Shopee po kasi meron po kaming recommendation engines such as the ones that you would see in Google or Instagram or Facebook, kung saan whenever you perform a search, you will see ads that are related to that particular search. So based on your usage history po. So of course that will lead to higher conversion potential. And then another advantage po is Shopee Ads works in a pay-per-click system, so impressions are absolutely free, and you would only have to pay po when users click on your ads. So a common question po that we have with this is, paano counted po ba dyan yung mga fraudulent clicks? So let's say, I have a competitor, tapos sunod-sunod niyang kiniklik yung ad namin. So counted ba yun? So with that po, meron pong ginawang counter action yung Shopee, wherein ang ika-count lang po is 10 minutes. So if na po ng system na sunod-sunod pong kiniklik ng user yung ad natin or sinasadya na i-click, so hindi po niya i-count yung mga other clicks doon. So ang i-count lang po niya is 1 click per 10 minutes. So ayun po yung ginawang counter action for fraudulent clicks ng Shopee. And the last advantage po is with Shopee Ads, you would obtain full control of your ad spending. So as I've mentioned, meron po tayong flexibility with our budget kasi we were able to set up our budget for our ads and yung mga big prices po natin per keywords per ads. So moving on, here is Shopee Ads by numbers. So of course, Shopee Ads help sellers increase their shop's exposure and sales. So with Shopee Ads po in general, you will receive 7 pesos return in sales for every 1 peso spent. And you will also receive 24% increase in orders and 31% increase in views for your advertised products. So yan. So ngayon po, to discuss yung 3 types of Shopee ads, call on my teammate Lance. So Lance, can you take it from here?
Thanks, Brent. Hello, sellers. So, ito po yung mga different types of Shopee ads here in the Shopee platform. So, for search ads po, meron po tayong product search ads and shop search ads. While for discovery ads po, meron po tayong discovery ads. Slide, Brent. Brent. Brent, next slide, please. Thank you, Brent. So, let's discuss first product search ads po. So, product search ads po, it pushes your product to the top of the search results page. So for this po, ang system po nito is we bid for keywords and your ad will appear on the search result page po when users search for those keywords. So, whenever po may mag-search ko po ng floral dress, ganun po. Ang floral dress po ang binibid natin for the keywords. So for product search ads, you can use auto-selected, which can be used to save the hassle of manually choosing keywords and setting bid prices and scale up ads quickly. So for product search ads, pwede po kayo mag-set up ng 50 ads in one go. Pwede rin kayo mag-automatic keyword setup and optimization, which allows the system to choose suitable keywords based on products, and bids are added automatically to keep performance in line with the desired ROI. So, kung nakikita niyo po sa bottom left, yun po yung button ng auto-selected. So, for new users, if unsure po kayo on how to use keywords, we suggest you toggle on auto-select and let Shopee optimize your ads for you. Brent, next slide please. So, ito yung difference po ng manually selected and auto-selected. So, for manually selected, ang positives po nito is you can control and you have control and visibility of individual keywords, selection, and performance, allowing for optimization, and suitable po siya for users comfortable with search ads. Ang cons lang po nito ay kailangan mo mag-set up ng ads one by one, and for manual keywords, you have to set up and optimize for each product search ad. For auto-selected naman po, ang pros naman nito po ay automatic keyword setup and optimization, suitable for users unfamiliar with search ads, mass setup of to 50 ads possible for quick scaling, and automatic optimization of bid prices according to users' selected target ROI. Ang cost lang po nito ay no control and visibility of the individual keyword selection and performance, since yung Shopee system na po ang makakita nito. So, tip for advanced users: once familiarized with product search ads, use of manual keyword selection on top of auto selection is largely recommended for added visibility and more control over some keywords. Next slide, Brent. Thank you. So, for shop search, ito naman po ang shop search ads, which helps showcase your shop at the top of search results page. So for this po, it also bids for keywords and your shop profile, which will appear on top of the search result page. So ang search ads po is only open to preferred sellers, official stores on Shopee Mall, and sellers with good sales performance. So for this po, you can with shop search ads, you can customize your tagline, shop profile, and picture, and add landing page. So examples given po ay shop ad, shop page, and product collection page. So you can also create multiple targeted shop search search ads campaigns at the same time. So for product, pwede kayo magawa ng iba-ibang product lines, collections within your shop, or for big campaign sales such as 99, 10, and Christmas sales. So next slide, Brett. Yes, thank you. For discovery ads naman po, it's placed on the prime recommendation section. So ito po ang three prime recommendation sections sa Shopee Ads. Sa Shopee platform po, sorry. So for first po is similar products, which is ad placed at the bottom of your product details page that is similar to your product. Next would be you may also like, which is ad placed at the bottom of a product details page that is complementary to your product. Lastly would be daily discover, which is ad placed on the homepage under daily discover. Next slide, Brent. So ito po yung summary ng three types of Shopee ads. So for product search ads, it can be seen sa search results page. While advantages po nito ay it helps widen the reach to potential shops who are searching for keywords related to your advertised listings, and high controls, since you have control where your ads show up and how much you spend by setting a budget and bid price per keyword. Tips for product search ads would be: first is to match the recommended bid price to ensure top ad ranks, and increase bid prices during sales seasons and brand promotional periods to maintain ad rankings. So for shop search ads naman po, placement naman po nito ay top of search results page. So ang advantages naman po nito ay una, it helps grow the brand awareness, since it helps your brand appear sa mga top search results, and it strengthens association between your brand and the search term. So tips for nito ay generic tips for shop search ads po ay first is to utilize generic keywords such as mat, lipstick, cellphone, pen, and notebook. Another tip would be no need to bid on brand keywords as they should be reserved for the brand. So kung may gusto po kung gusto niyo po yung brand name niyo po, reserve po sa inyo, you can reserve it naman po. Lastly would be discovery ads, which can be seen po sa homepage for the discover, and for product details doon naman po makikita ang similar products and you may also like. For advantages is first you can enhance product exposure by displaying them in more location, target users based on their individual interest and shopping behavior, and also it is the highest ease of setups kasi di po siya kailangan per keyword. Basically you have to bid po for the daily discover for the daily discover similar products, and you may also like the placements. And for tips nito ay you also create targeting ad campaigns for as many products due to its smaller scale and low bid prices.
Okay. Yan. So, balikan ko lang yung sa slides sa kabila. So, anong part po dito yung hindi masyadong na-clear sa atin? So, with the advantages po of product search ads, yun nga po, wider po yung reach natin to potential shoppers who are searching for keywords related to your advertised listings po. And then, with product search ads po, ito po yung ad na may pakamarami tayong control. Kasi here you can adjust your bid prices, you can set your own bid prices, and with that, mas mataas po yung parang level of control natin. Tapos yung advantages naman po for shop search ads, gataas po yung brand awareness natin. Kasi po, yung shop profile po natin, of course, when you search for a relevant keyword and qualified po yung shop natin for a shop search ad, tataas po yung awareness nila for not just our products but for our shop, since nakikita yung mga shop search ads sa taas ng search results pages. And then, of course, tataas yung association between your shop and that particular keyword na sinearch ng ating mga users. And then, yung advantages naman po for discovery ads, tataas po yung exposure natin since meron po tayong mga different locations as you can see dun sa placements. So, we have yung daily discovery sa homepage. Tapos, you also have the similar product section and you may also like for the product details. So, yun po yung advantages ng ating discovery ads. Tataas po yung exposure by placing them on more locations. So, parang supplement po siya sa product ads. And then, as I've mentioned po kanina sa ating advantages, it targets users based on their individual interests and shopping behavior. Since meron po tayong recommendation engine that is similar with the ones that you see on Google and Facebook. Tapos ito rin po yung pinaka-highest ease of setup. So later po makikita po natin sa ating live demo kung ano po yung meaning natin by the highest ease of setup. Since usually pang supplement lang po kasi yung discovery ads for the product search ads. Yan. So, medyo nagkakagulo sa chat. So, refrain po tayo sa promote ng shops natin while the presentation is ongoing. So, yeah. Thank you rin po for cooperating. So, now let's move on lang po sa next part ng ating training, which is how to set up Shopee Ads. So here is a 4-step procedure that we can follow in setting up our own Shopee Ads. So first, of course, you have to log into Seller Center. Second is you have to top up your ads credits. And then for the third one, you have to determine your ad objectives. And for the fourth one, you have to set up and run, or you'll finally can set up and run your Shopee ads. So let's deep dive to each step. So starting with the first step, which is to log on to Seller Center. So I'm sure lahat naman po tayo dito nakaka-access sa ating mga Seller Centers. So you have to log on using your shop credentials. And then afterwards, you have to click on Shopee Ads, and you can see it po just below the Marketing Center section. And then after clicking po, so let's say you're a new user, so before proceeding, you have to click on the terms and conditions po. So hindi po tayo makapag-proceed pag hindi po natin click or hindi po tayo nag-agree sa terms and conditions ng Shopee Ads. So yan, second step na po tayo, which is to top up your ads credits. So yung ads credit po natin, it shows how much credits you have in your Shopee Ads account. Tapos by topping up po, it simply means putting in a specific amount to our ads credits. So you can see po yung sa box number 1. So box ba yung tawag doon? Basta yan, box number 1, yun po yung itsura ng ads natin. So you can see it on the upper right part of your seller center. So mamaya po makikita po natin sa live demo. And then just beside that, sa box number 2, yun po yung top up button natin. So yun po yung pipindutin natin if we want to top up our ads credits. So upon pressing that top up button, you will be redirected po to our top up page where you can see yung mga different top up prices ranging from 50 pesos all the way up to 20,000 pesos. So ito po siya yung nasa box number 3. So at this point po, kayo na po yung bahala kung magkano po yung ilalagay nyo sa inyong ads credits. So a common question that we always receive from sellers or brands is that, can you top up more than 20,000 pesos? So possible naman po siya. So of course, let's say for example, you have to top up 30,000 pesos. So of course, first you need to select yung maximum 20,000 and then repeat the entire process lang for the remaining. So let's say 30,000. So una muna, gawin mo yung process, 20,000 muna, and then the next one, ulitin mo lang siya, and then you can still top up 10,000. So if you could see in the box number 4 po, yun po yung tinatawag naming auto top up. So of course, as sellers po, alam naman namin na marami kayong inaasikaso with the other aspects of your business. And some of you find yung constantly pag-check ng ads credits natin very parang hassle, di ba? So with this, parang late last year po, we introduced this auto top up feature wherein automatically na po magto-top up from your seller wallet, matatransfer po yun automatically to your ads credits. So mamaya po sa live demo, you can also see how to set up din po yung auto na yan. But yung main gist po niya is it will save up the hassle of constantly topping up. So maglalagay lang po kayo ng condition amount. Sorry, may dumana motor. Maglalagay lang po kayo ng condition amount and ng top up amount. And then automatically na po, magkakaroon na po, hindi na po kayo mauubusan ng ads credits.